White on my info wall, sleeping garments that he won't show I'm a stain now. Big body, know I kitschy, that's a buzz down.
I feel like I look like Mega Mind right now. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Julia, and let's get into this. I think that's gonna be my new saying. I don't know yet, but recently I went on Instagram and I asked you guys if you've ever used the Gots to Be spray and the Gots to Be glue to lay a wig, and a lot of you guys said yeah. Let me tell you something. I tried using this before and it didn't work for me, but I'm just thinking maybe I did something wrong. So I was like, why not try again? And why not make a video out of it? You feel me? So as you can see, I have my nice ball cap. It's looking kind of orange. Like I'm looking in the mirror right here and it looks like a shade lighter, but here it's looking mad bright. But I guess it's fine or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix them together, because I know some people use just the spray and some people use just the glue, but why not mix them? I feel like we might get better results if I do. So yeah, and in today's video we are doing a straight wig. This is from Your Hair Alone. This is, I think, 20 inches if I am correct. Yes. And if y'all see, this hair is popping. Like, it's very soft, so I'm really excited to try it on. And yeah, because I don't really do straight hair like that, like, ever. I did like straight hair once, but that wasn't even straight hair, it was body wave, and I just like straightened it and whatnot, so that didn't really count. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So let's get into this, because I don't want this to be a chit chat. I want this to be a let's go, let's do this. And yeah, Megamind out. So here's little old me starting to mix everything together. So as you see, I'm mixing the glue and the spray, and I'm just applying it onto the ball cap in my skin like I would do with any other glue. I didn't want to do anything different, considering the fact that, like, I want to, see if this really does help lay my wig down. So I just applied it like any other glue. And I only did 2 layers just because sometimes when I do 3, I feel like that whiteness doesn't really go away, and I didn't want to have to deal with that. So I just played it safe and did 2. All right, y'all, I know you see what I'm doing. Combing your lace, like, how do I even explain this? Like, combing the lace and like getting, like, I don't want to say combing the glue, but let me just say that step that I did was really, really important. I personally feel like it helps with your installations. It helps make sure that your lace is flat, is secured, like you're bonding the lace and the glue and like your skin all in one, because you want that flawless look afterwards. So that step right there, like combing the lace in, I recommend it. 10 out of 10, period. Hey, look, it's me. I'm doing it again. I'm combing the lace like I said. And if you could not tell, once I apply the glue on, when I do the first layer, I use the blow dryer and I dry it till it's clear and, tacky. But just to keep in mind, I did notice that the glue does dry clear before it gets tacky. So even if it's clear, make sure you just take your finger and you dab it to make sure that it's tacky, because you don't want to think it's clear and then apply another layer of glue, and then that layer gets clear, and then you try to put it on and you're trying to figure out why it's not sticking. Like, make sure it's tacky. So yeah, I put the glue on, I blow dry it till it's clear and tacky, put another layer, blow dry it, and then I put it on. And I just comb it through like I'm doing again. Okay, so I think this step right here makes or breaks your installation when it comes to using the Gots to Be. So this spray, let me tell y'all, this spray is slept on, but it's really good. And after I apply all the glue and everything is on, I make sure to take the spray, put it on my finger and rub it all across like where the hairline is. Like that is so important. And then I take my elastic band and I tie it down. So this is like extra security. Like I'm not gonna use the blow dryer. The elastic band is gonna work like as the blow dryer. I'm telling you, like this step right here is it. Oh my god, I snipped my ear. OMG guys, I like cut myself. Nah, I gotta stop this video. I gotta stop it. Okay guys, so I really like snip my ear. Like this is what I mean when I say I need my setup, because if I had my setup, this wouldn't have happened, because I would have had a good mirror. Everything would have been fine, and now my ear won't stop bleeding. So I'm gonna be right back because we will finish this video, and that's on period. All right, so we back. I got this band-aid on my ear. Guys, it literally took me, I want to say almost 45 minutes to get my ear to stop bleeding. Like I thought I was gonna have to go to the emergency room and get stitches because it wasn't making sense what just happened. But I finished cutting the lace off camera in my bathroom because I could see in there. Just so irritated right now. First of all, lace where? For this part, I use my RK3D Creator Foundation and Concealer for this flawless, beautiful part. Yeah, don't buy my Band-Aid. But y'all, lace weird. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle, because it was definitely painful. Like this isn't something that I would wish on anybody, like me slicing my ear, but the end result was worth it. I'm just so in love. Like you keep seeing me run my fingers through this hair because it's really bombing out. Like I know you could tell how soft this hair is. Like it really feels like silk. Like it feels like my silk scarf that I use to tie my hair with. Like that's what it feels like, but even better. So I definitely recommend this hair. I will leave their in the caption box if you guys want to go check them out, because this hair is definitely worth it. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle. I hope it was entertaining. I hope it was fun. And yeah, let me just also say that the Gots to Be did what it had to do. There are some not even, I lied. I thought it was lifting. It just felt like it was lifting. But I don't know if you guys could see, like I'm tugging. It's not going nowhere. Like it's not lifting nowhere. It's secured. Never thought I would say that the Gots to Be glue and the spray combined secured my wig. Never thought I would say that. That right there is crazy. I'm definitely, when I don't feel like spending $20, $30 on wig glue, I will definitely be doing this, especially considering the fact that I change my wig so often and like I'm just always taking off wigs and stuff like that. Like I would definitely use the Gots to Be spray and the Gots to Be glue to lay this wig, because it did a really good job. Like it really did a really good job. Like, I'm very impressed. I'm very surprised. Like, you guys know we're not doing no sponsorships over here. Like, this is me genuinely trying something. And you know, like, because I used to watch people lay their wigs and I'm like, how you do that? Because I tried doing it, it didn't work. But clearly I just didn't know what I was doing. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Just because we was having a little trouble at the sides. But definitely 9 out of 10 I will give the Gots to Be spray and the Gots to Be glue. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Comment videos you want to see me do next. Comment wigs that you want to see me do next. Like, this is my first time doing like an actual straight wig, like just a straight frontal, and I really do love it. The hair is really nice, like I said from before. So you want to see me do body wave, you want to see me do deep wave, you want to see me do jerry curls, and like, let me know. Let me know in the caption box. Caption box, hear me, let me know in the comments down below. And like I said from before, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing, you know? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Don't tell me about no course, I'ma buy it. Ay. Riding with a baddie and she biased. Look like Simmons on my wave that she riding. Bro, boy, let's compete. Who's the flyest?